Hi there! In retail locations, offices, event venues, or similar spaces, a banner hanger can enhance the visibility of your message. The right hardware helps you create a professional, upscale look for your message. How do you know which banner hanger is right for you? Hanging signs can be very frustrating. We're able to give you real solutions that help ensure your signage integrates beautifully in your space. And our products make install quick and easy. Ceiling Outfitters introduces the Easy Banner Hangers, which allow you to stabilize the top and bottom edges of your banners, preventing curling and unnecessary movement of the graphic, which improves the visibility and readability of the printed message. Best of all, the Easy Banner Hangers are available in either aluminum or plastic. Easy aluminum banner hangers allow you to create an ultra-professional upscale look. These sleek, contemporary banner hangers come in 24-inch, 36-inch, and 48-inch lengths. There is an end cap to give the graphic a finished appearance, a joiner for connecting two or more, a hanger clip that interfaces with the ceiling connectors, and several graphic inserts that accommodate a variety of graphic materials. Easy plastic banner hangers are an economical solution to stress-free banner hanging. They're designed to attach quickly, just like the aluminum hangers, but they're made for lightweight signs. These plastic banner hangers are available in 22-inch, 24-inch, 36-inch, and 48-inch lengths. Do you need help choosing banner hangers? Ceiling Outfitters has the hardware and banner hanging accessories you need to properly use signage throughout your space. Whatever the problem, we can help you pick the perfect banner hangers for your needs. Call us at 877-866-2545 or email ceilingoutfitters@gmail.com to ask questions or get help placing your order.